Welcome to Dud School, motherfucker. Step-by-step guide to be a loser. To be a loser, nigga. Nah, first thing first, you fat and you don't exercise. Word to my mother. Word to my mother. You know what I'm saying? Had that. Mother, yo, you're fat and you don't exercise and you're wondering, why, what, this, how, and you're bitching. Grow a pair of balls, get in the gym, exercise, run, start small, and go up. Okay. Number two, you got no goals. You got no purpose. The reason you got no purpose is because you lack self-worth inside. You don't like yourself inside. That's why you don't have no goals. Okay. You still don't got no goals because you like yourself inside. You just like your life. Okay, my nigga. You have no goals because this, that. Okay. Whatever the fuck you have no goals for, my nigga. You're really cooked if you have nothing to show for yourself in reality. Okay, if you just want to chill, okay, that could be your fucking goal. You feel what I'm saying? You have to have something. When I graduated, my nigga, I didn't have no goals. I didn't have no aspirations, my nigga. But I wanted to do something, my nigga. I knew that, my nigga. That hey, do something, my nigga. Do something, god damn it. Number three, you masturbate. You in the bed all day, every day, 24/7. Yo, I be hearing niggas. Yo, niggas do that shit twice a fucking day. What? Huh? That's it. I'm just skip over that topic. That's some real disgusting shit. Number four, you follow the crowd, you try to fit in, you try to be like the next TikTok nigga, and you have a TikTok accent. I don't like none of y'all niggas. I deleted TikTok for a reason. I swear to God, yo, I don't like y'all niggas. Every time I see y'all, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. What's the TikTok personality? A fucking slang next nigga. Like even Twin, like yo, that shit is straight up from TikTok. I got that shit from TikTok. God damn it, when I was on that shit, I was like, yo, hey Twin, you feel what I'm saying? Yeah, you my twin now. You know what I'm saying? You my twin. You feel what I'm saying? That's cool. You didn't feel my saying. It's like the young nigga slang. It's like it's there. Like, but there's some people that get their shit straight from TikTok, and I feel as if it's younger niggas, so y'all get a pass, but older niggas, like, bro, I just seen a nigga. I might react to the video. I seen a nigga on the Fist Fearless, bro. This nigga was like, oh my god, a fucking loser. This nigga was fucking, I don't even know how to explain it. Just TikTok, boom, 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 boom. What is wrong with y'all niggas? What is wrong with y'all niggas? Y'all just got me fucked up, nigga. Number five is some shit that's probably gonna, you know what I'm saying? If you watching this shit, I doubt you're watching this shit, but my nigga, you're watching this shit. This might break your heart right here. You pray to somebody and you don't take fucking action. Excuse my French, but you don't take action to shit, and yet you want to pray again. Yet again, you don't want to do nothing about it, my nigga. At least help God out, my nigga. God damn it, what's wrong with you? Do something, my nigga. You see, I'm thinking from my point of view. I don't know your point of view, right? But I'm still thinking, yo, as long as you're alive, you have a choice to actually put in some work, put in some effort to change yourself or change your life, or you know what I'm saying? You're not just gonna pray and then go back on the fucking couch and eat Takis and shit, talking about, yeah, I want some money. May God bless me for some fucking money. Yet go get the fucking lottery or some shit, and I don't know, not even scratch the card out. I don't know. Niggas be dumb as shit. All right, number 6 or 7, I don't fucking know. You're a simp ass nigga and you chase woman. You get cooked because you have no game. You're a simp and you chase woman. In the other things, like you're damn near an incel. I don't know how anybody could be a simp. I'm Yura. So I'm really not thinking like, yeah, you're gonna be a simp. You're watching this. You're not no simp. You know, you got morals. You know, so you up this up. Like, oh god. But hey, number 7 or whatever. I don't know. Your mindset is cooked. Let's face it. Your mindset is some shit, and you rebel. School sniper ass nigga. You rebel. You're like boom boom on everybody. Blah. Everybody in GTA just it's just Number 8, you scroll through social media all day, you talk about bird brain shit. Yes, everybody does it. You don't scroll, okay, yes, but there has to get to a point to when you're literally doing all these things, it adds up. You should get tired. You feel what I'm saying? You should get tired. God damn it, go meditate. Hey, number 8 or whatever. Number 8, all right, you're broke. Simple as that. You're broke. Being broke doesn't make you a loser, but being fine with being broke makes you a straight up loser. God damn it. You're cool being broke. Get your bag up. My editor, yo, he's getting his bag up. You feel what I'm saying? Get your bag up. God damn it. Number 9, you hate on people. You a hating ass nigga. Sick. Number 10, you don't take care of yourself. You ugly as shit because you got acne and all that shit, but really you're a beautiful human. You play 2K all day and you smoke weed or do drugs all day. No shower ass nigga. D1 school sniper. Yes, I'm talking about you. Yes, disgust me. But it's cool because that shit was me. You know what I'm saying? But not no more. But yeah, you follow these rules for real. That's how to be a loser step by step. On my mama. Yeah though. Does get with the program. You know what it is.